line everybody up so we can letter size. We're going to say each letter, then punch out the sounds like a boxer. In between, we'll get in shape by jogging, jumping, and exercising our bodies and brains. Come on.
All right, guys, let's march. Get ready.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now run in place.
Run in place. Let's see how fast you can run. Now let's see how slow you can run. All right, just run now.
Let's pretend to jump rope.
See if you can jump on one foot. Now the other foot. All right, let's get ready.
O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Time for jumping jacks.
Can you spin while you do it?
B, W, X, Y, Z. Super job! Now wave your arms.
Wave your arms.
Dance around like the winner
Spin
you
around.
are!
Hi, we're going to read Is Your Mama a Llama? It's a fun book by Deborah Guarino, illustrated by Stephen Kellogg. Let's get started. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Dave. No, she is not, is the answer Dave gave. She hangs by her feet and she lives in a cave. I do not believe that's how llamas behave. Oh, I said, you are right about that. I think that your mama sounds more like a bat. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Fred. No, she is not, is what Freddie said. She has a long neck and white feathers and wings. I don't think a llama has all of those things. Oh, I said, you don't need to go on. I think that your mama must be a swan. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Jane. No, she is not, Jane politely explained. She grazes on grass. She likes to say moo. I don't think that is what a llama would do. Oh, I said, I understand now. I think that your mama must be a cow. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Clyde. No, she is not, is how Clyde replied. She's got flippers and whiskers and eats fish all day. I do not think llamas quite act that way. Oh, I said, I'm beginning to feel that your mama must really be a seal. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Rhonda. No, she is not, is how Rhonda responded. She's got big hind legs and a pocket for me, so I don't think a llama is what she could be. Oh, I said, that is certainly true. I think that your mama's a kangaroo. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Lynn. Oh, Lloyd, don't be silly, Lynn said with a grin. My mama has big ears, long lashes, and fur, and you of all people should know about her. Our mamas belong to the same herd, and you know all about llamas 'cause you are one too. Yes, you are right, I said to my friend. My mama's a llama. And this is the end.
Hey boys and girls, today we're going to read Baby Animals on the Farm. Baby Animals on the Farm. Baby farm animals. There are lots of baby animals on the farm, especially in the spring. Calves. Here are some baby cows. They are called calves. Foals. These are baby horses. They are called foals. When they are born, they walk right away, but they are pretty wobbly. Chicks. Here are some newborn chicks. They just hatched out of their shells. Their fathers are called roosters. Their mothers are called hens. Piglets. Baby pigs are born hungry. They are called piglets. These piglets are eating their mother's milk. Ducklings and goslings. Ducks and geese live in nests that they usually build close to ponds or lakes. Baby ducks are called ducklings. Baby geese are called goslings. They take their babies to swim every day. Kids. Baby goats live on the farm too. Baby goats are called kids. They eat lots of grass. Lambs. Here are baby sheep. Baby sheep are called lambs. Here's some wool from the sheep. When they grow bigger, the farmer may trim their fur and sell it to make wool. Puppies. Baby dogs are called puppies. They may live on a farm, or they may live in your home. Kittens. Cats have special jobs on the farm. They keep the mice away. There are lots of furry kittens on the farm too.
Hello. We're going to read a book this morning about daddies because you may know that Father's Day is coming up. And so this is dedicated to all our dads. This book is entitled The Very Best Daddy of All by Marion Dane Bauer and illustrated by Leslie Wu. Let's begin. Some daddies sing you awake. Some bring breakfast crunchy and sweet. Some daddies comb your hair gently, gently, so you'll be fresh and neat. Some daddies build you a house. Some play with you too. Some take care of your mama so she can take care of you. Some daddies come when you're lost. Some hold you snug and tight. Some daddies face every danger so you will be all right. Some daddies call, keep trying, keep trying. Some comfort you when you are crying. Some daddies stay close beside you whether you're fast or slow. Some tuck you in safe and warm when the sun's about to go. And my daddy, haven't you guessed, from all the daddies, tall or small, mine is the best, the very best daddy of all.
A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta.
A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta.
A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Elbows back.
Elbows back.
A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta.
A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Elbows back.
Elbows back.
Feet apart.
Feet apart.
A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta.